In order to know what materials you'll need for your project and how much they will cost, you'll need to know your project's measurements. The first thing you'll need to do is sketch out the layout of your project. It doesn't have to be to scale or pretty enough to hang on the fridge. Getting the length of each level run is a great place to start. You also need to make sure you get all the balcony and landing measurements where your railing will be. The next dimension you'll need is the elevation or rise of your stairs. This can be determined by counting how many risers or upright pieces between treads you have in your current staircase. Or, if you have an open or floating staircase, you'll need to count the gaps between treads. Next, you'll need to measure the run of your tread. This is the horizontal space between two risers. It's important that you do not include the bullnose or overhang of your tread in this measurement. In order to ensure you get the most precise measurements possible, we recommend getting this measurement on each riser and tread run. If you have any additional questions, check out the rest of the videos in this series or head on over to our website. You can always give us a call to talk to one of our experts. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to making your new rail Viewrail.